What if the foods sitting in your kitchen right now were slowly damaging your heart? What would you do if you discovered that some of the most common items on your dinner table are actually hidden health hazards? Would you recognize the warning signs before it's too late? Most people understand that sugar poses health risks. However, few realize there are foods far more dangerous lurking in their pantries. These harmful foods are part of millions of Americans' daily routines, silently causing damage with every bite. Dr. Leo Boccaria, a distinguished cardiac surgeon who has performed over 1,000 successful heart surgeries, recently shared alarming findings. According to his extensive research, 6 common foods are worse for your body than sugar. These dangerous items are responsible for approximately 65% of heart attack cases. What are these hidden dangers? That's exactly what you'll discover today. Please pay careful attention, because simple dietary adjustments could mean the difference between vibrant health and serious disease. Are you ready to uncover truths the food industry doesn't want you to know? Let's begin. The truth about cooking oils your doctor never told you. That bottle of vegetable oil in your pantry seems harmless enough. After all, it's labeled as heart-healthy and cholesterol-free. But here's what you need to know. These common cooking oils pose serious dangers to your cardiovascular system. When heated to high temperatures for frying, something disturbing happens. These oils break down and produce toxic compounds, including free radicals and trans fats. These harmful substances damage your arteries from the inside, increasing inflammation throughout your body. The result? A significantly higher risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Every time you fry food in vegetable oil, you're essentially aging your cardiovascular system faster than nature intended. Think of it like rust forming inside your blood vessels, slowly but steadily compromising their function. What's particularly concerning is how widespread these oils are. They're hidden in countless processed foods, salad dressings, mayonnaise, packaged snacks, baked goods, and even products marketed as healthy, like granola bars. Reading labels becomes essential when you understand the scope of this problem. Consider switching to healthier cooking methods. Baking, grilling, and steaming preserve nutrients without adding harmful fats. When you do need oil, choose extra virgin olive oil for low to medium heat cooking. This simple change could add years to your life, while making your meals just as delicious. Margarine, the fake food that's fooling your heart. For decades, margarine has been marketed as the healthy alternative to butter. Television commercials and magazine ads promised it would protect your heart. But Dr. Boccaria reveals a different story entirely. Many margarines contain trans fats, which are among the most dangerous substances you can consume. These artificial fats don't just raise your bad cholesterol. They simultaneously lower your good cholesterol. It's like attacking your cardiovascular system from both directions at once. A comprehensive study by the American Heart Association found that trans fats increase heart disease risk by 21%. They also raise the risk of death from coronary disease by 28%. These aren't small numbers. They represent real lives affected by a supposedly healthy choice. The food industry spent millions convincing us that margarine was better than butter. Meanwhile, scientific evidence consistently showed the opposite. It's one of the biggest nutritional deceptions of the past century. If you have margarine in your refrigerator, consider replacing it immediately. Small amounts of real butter are actually healthier. Better yet, try spreading mashed avocado on your toast or drizzling olive oil on your bread. These natural alternatives provide fats your body recognizes and knows how to process properly. Why cheddar cheese is clogging your arteries? When Dr. Boccaria asks his patients about their cheese consumption, he's often concerned by their answer, cheddar. This popular cheese, found in most American refrigerators, poses serious risks to heart health. Just 2 slices of cheddar contain about 20% of your daily recommended fat intake. But it's not just the quantity that's problematic, it's the type of fat. Saturated fat from cheddar contributes directly to cholesterol buildup in your arteries, creating blockages that restrict blood flow. The sodium content is equally troubling. Those same 2 slices pack over 300 milligrams of sodium, forcing your heart to work harder to maintain proper blood pressure. Combine the saturated fat with excessive sodium, and you have a recipe for cardiovascular problems. Processed cheddar often contains additional chemicals and preservatives that compound these health risks. The cumulative effect on your cardiovascular system is like asking your heart to run a marathon while carrying extra weight. Eventually, something has to give. Consider switching to healthier cheese options. Ricotta, cottage cheese, and fresh mozzarella are naturally lower in both fat and sodium. Your taste buds might need time to adjust, but your heart will appreciate the change immediately. White bread, the silent inflammation trigger. That soft, fluffy white bread might be comforting, but it's causing chaos inside your body. Dr. Bocaria explains that regular white bread consumption opens the door to chronic inflammation, a major risk factor for heart disease. Here's what happens. Refined carbohydrates in white bread convert rapidly to sugar in your bloodstream. Your body responds by releasing insulin to manage this sudden glucose spike. Over time, this constant cycle leads to insulin resistance, fat accumulation in your arteries, and increased inflammation throughout your body. A study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that this inflammatory effect increases long-term heart problem risk by 30%. Each slice of white bread triggers an inflammatory cascade that silently damages your blood vessels, meal after meal, day after day. The refining process strips away virtually all fiber and nutrients from the grain. What remains is essentially pure starch that your body processes like sugar. There's surprisingly little difference between eating white bread and consuming straight table sugar as far as your metabolism is concerned. Choose whole grain breads that contain the entire grain, including the nutrient-rich bran and germ. The fiber in real whole grain bread slows sugar absorption, preventing dangerous insulin spikes. Rye bread, sprouted grain varieties, and oatmeal bread provide steady energy while supporting cardiovascular health. Processed meats, the hidden danger on your plate. Hot dogs, bacon, sausages, and deli meats might be convenient, but Dr. Bocaria warns they're among the most dangerous foods you can consume. Understanding how they're made might change your perspective forever. These products start with low-quality meat scraps mixed with fat, then loaded with salt and chemical preservatives. They undergo intensive processing, including grinding, curing with nitrates, and artificial smoking. The end result barely resembles real meat. The health implications are severe. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as carcinogenic, placing them in the same category as cigarettes for cancer risk. But cancer isn't the only concern. These products significantly increase blood pressure and contribute directly to heart disease development. The sodium content alone is staggering, often exceeding 1,000 milligrams per serving. Add the saturated fat, nitrates, and other chemicals, and you have a product that systematically damages your cardiovascular system with every bite. Replace processed meats with fresh alternatives. Grilled chicken breast, baked fish, or hard-boiled eggs provide quality protein without the dangerous additives. If you can't eliminate processed meats entirely, treat them as rare indulgences rather than dietary staples. Soft drinks. Liquid poison in a can. The sixth item on Dr. Bocaria's danger list includes all soft drinks, regular, diet, and zero-calorie versions. These beverages are causing more damage than most people realize. A British medical journal study involving over 100,000 participants found that regular soft drink consumption increases type 2 diabetes risk by 18%. Harvard research showed that one daily soda can lead to 7 pounds of weight gain annually. But here's what's truly shocking. Diet sodas aren't any better. Artificial sweeteners disrupt your metabolic system, confusing hunger signals and actually increasing appetite. They trick your brain into craving more calories, leading to weight gain despite containing no sugar. These sweeteners also alter gut bacteria, affect insulin sensitivity, and increase cardiovascular disease risk by 20%. Every sip is essentially a dose of metabolic confusion that undermines your body's natural processes. The solution is simple. Drink water. Add lemon or cucumber for flavor. Try herbal teas or sparkling water with fresh fruit. Your body will respond quickly to eliminating soft drinks, with improved energy and reduced inflammation within weeks. Building a heart-healthy morning routine. Now let's focus on what you should eat. Dr. Bocaria, still practicing successfully at over 80 years old, starts each day with a carefully planned breakfast that fuels his body properly. Eggs are central to his morning routine. They provide high-quality protein for muscle maintenance, plus essential nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline for brain health. Everyone over 50 should prioritize eggs in their diet. Natural Greek yogurt adds probiotics for digestive health and immune support. These beneficial bacteria improve nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation throughout your body. Choose plain varieties without added sugars. Fresh fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and apples provide antioxidants and fiber without causing blood sugar spikes. They fight inflammation while providing steady energy for your morning activities. This combination, perhaps with unsweetened coffee, creates a breakfast that sustains energy, improves digestion, and protects your heart. It's programming your metabolism for success rather than stress. The perfect lunch for cardiovascular health. Dr. Bocaria's lunch strategy focuses on lean proteins prepared simply. Grilled or baked chicken and fish provide essential nutrients without excess fat. This cooking method preserves vitamins and minerals while keeping calories reasonable. Brown rice and beans offer complex carbohydrates and fiber for sustained energy. Unlike white rice, these foods release glucose slowly, preventing afternoon energy crashes. They also support healthy cholesterol levels. A colorful salad with varied vegetables adds vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Different colors represent different nutrients, so variety is key. Dark leafy greens, red tomatoes, orange carrots, and purple cabbage create a rainbow of heart protection. Portion control matters too. Divide your plate into thirds. 1/3 lean protein, 1/3 complex carbohydrates, and 1/3 vegetables. This balance ensures steady energy without overloading your digestive system. Dark chocolate, medicine that tastes like dessert. When it comes to sweets, Dr. Bocaria chooses dark chocolate with 99% cocoa content. This isn't the sweet milk chocolate most people prefer, but it's incredibly beneficial for your heart. Flavonoids in dark chocolate dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure naturally. These compounds also reduce inflammation and prevent blood clots. Think of it as delicious medicine for your arteries. Dark chocolate increases serotonin and endorphin production, improving mood while reducing stress. Since stress directly impacts heart health, this benefit is more important than you might think. Start with small pieces of 70% cocoa chocolate and gradually increase the percentage. Your palate will adapt, and soon you'll appreciate the complex flavors while protecting your cardiovascular system. The afternoon energy secret. Dr. Bocaria's afternoon snack of choice is buttermilk, a fermented dairy product most Americans overlook. This traditional food offers remarkable benefits for heart health and energy maintenance. High-quality protein in buttermilk maintains satiety, preventing unhealthy snacking. Natural probiotics support digestive health and boost immunity. B vitamins provide energy without blood sugar spikes. The calcium strengthens bones while supporting proper heart rhythm. Unlike processed snacks, buttermilk provides nutrition your body actually needs and can use effectively. Try buttermilk plain or blended with berries for a refreshing smoothie. This simple change can improve your afternoon energy and overall health within weeks. Evening strategies for heart repair. Dinner in the Bocaria household features omega-3 rich fish like salmon paired with vegetables and legumes. This combination provides nutrients that actively repair your cardiovascular system during sleep. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol ratios. Soluble fiber from beans and lentils binds to cholesterol, helping remove it from your body. Leafy greens add antioxidants that protect arterial walls. Adding walnuts, avocado, and olive oil provides healthy fats and vitamin E. These nutrients work synergistically to protect and repair your cardiovascular system. Dr. Bocaria never eats after 8 in the evening. This gives his body time to digest before sleep, improving rest quality and allowing optimal cellular repair. This simple rule can transform your sleep and morning energy levels. 3 pillars of cardiovascular health. Beyond diet, Dr. Bocaria follows 3 non-negotiable rules: proper hydration, no smoking, and no alcohol. Water is essential for every bodily function. Aim for 8 glasses daily, spread throughout the day. Proper hydration improves circulation, regulates blood pressure, and supports cellular health. Smoking is absolutely incompatible with heart health. It damages blood vessels, increases clotting risk, and accelerates arterial aging. If you smoke, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your heart. Alcohol stresses your liver, raises blood pressure, and disrupts sleep. While many believe moderate drinking is healthy, Dr. Bocaria's success suggests otherwise. Consider eliminating alcohol entirely for optimal cardiovascular health. Movement and connection. The overlooked medicine. At 84, Dr. Bocaria walks 30 minutes daily. This simple exercise can extend life by up to 6 years according to research. Regular movement keeps arteries flexible and heart strong. Social connections are equally important. Participating in group activities, maintaining friendships, and engaging with community reduces stress and improves cardiovascular health. Isolation is as dangerous for your heart as smoking. Start with 10-minute walks and gradually increase duration. Join groups that interest you, whether book clubs, exercise classes, or volunteer organizations. Human connection is powerful medicine for your heart. Dr. Bocaria practices daily gratitude, which research shows reduces inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and improves heart rhythm. This isn't just feel-good advice. It's scientifically proven to improve cardiovascular health. Spend 5 minutes each morning or evening acknowledging what you're grateful for. Write it down or say it aloud. This simple practice reduces stress hormones and promotes healing throughout your body. Gratitude creates a positive feedback loop, improving mood and relationships while protecting your heart. It costs nothing but provides invaluable benefits for your cardiovascular system. Dr. Bocaria's approach proves that small, consistent changes create dramatic health improvements. You don't need to transform everything overnight. Choose 1 or 2 changes that resonate with you and begin there. Every healthy choice is an investment in your future. The foods you eat today determine your health tomorrow. Your body has remarkable healing capacity when given proper nutrition and care. Remember, it's never too late to improve your heart health. Whether you're 45 or 75, positive changes begin immediately when you make better choices. Your cells are constantly regenerating, ready to respond to improved nutrition. Start today with 1 small change. Perhaps eliminate soft drinks or switch from white to whole grain bread. Add a daily walk or practice gratitude. These simple steps can begin your transformation. In 6 months, you'll be amazed at your progress. Improved energy, better sleep, and enhanced vitality are waiting. Your heart has served you faithfully. Now it's time to return the favor. The power to change your health destiny lies in your hands. Make the choice today to prioritize your heart health. Your future self will thank you for taking action now. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and yours starts today.